Launching your online empire Wix versus Thinkific. Starting an online business is exciting. Maybe you want to share your knowledge through courses, or perhaps you dream of selling products through a stunning website. Whatever your vision, you need the right platform to bring it to life. Two popular contenders are Wix and Thinkific. Both offer powerful tools to build your online presence, but they cater to different needs. Let's explore which one is your perfect match. Wix your website your way. Wix is the master of website building. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly user-friendly. Even with zero coding experience, you can create a beautiful website. Wix boasts over 200 million users, a testament to its simplicity and power. Need to sell products? Wix has got you covered with its e-commerce features. Want to showcase your blog posts? Wix offers various blog templates. You can even accept bookings for appointments or workshops. The versatility of Wix makes it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs who wear many hats. Whether you're a consultant, artist, or small business owner, Wix provides the tools to showcase your brand and connect with your audience. Thinkific, built for online courses. Thinkific is laser-focused on one thing: online courses. If your primary goal is to share your expertise through digital courses, Thinkific is your go-to platform. Thinkific lets you create, market, and sell your courses seamlessly. You can host live lessons, build quizzes, and award certificates. Thinkific also offers robust engagement tools. You can foster a thriving community around your courses with discussion forums and private groups. With its focus on student interaction and progress tracking, Thinkific empowers you to deliver a transformative learning experience. Section 4. Choosing the right platform for your needs. So, how do you choose between Wix and Thinkific? Consider your primary goal. Do you want a stunning website that showcases your brand and offers various services? Wix is the better choice. Its versatility and ease of use make it perfect for entrepreneurs who need a multi-purpose platform. If your main focus is creating and selling online courses, Thinkific is the clear winner. Its specialized features and focus on student engagement will help you launch and grow a successful online course business. Section 5. The verdict: empowering your online success. Both Wix and Thinkific are powerful platforms that can help you succeed online. The key is to choose the one that aligns with your specific needs and goals. Wix offers the flexibility to create a beautiful website that showcases your brand and various offerings. Thinkific provides the specialized tools and resources to launch and scale a thriving online course business. Whichever platform you choose, remember that the most crucial ingredient is your passion and expertise. With the right tools and your dedication, you can build a successful online presence and share your unique gifts with the world.